Did you know that Antigua and Barbuda is an archipelago of 365 islands located in the Caribbean Sea? It is located about 600 miles northeast of Venezuela and 170 miles east of Puerto Rico. The largest island in Antigua and Barbuda is Antigua, which is home to the capital city of St. John's. Other notable islands include Barbuda, Redonda, and Great Bird Island. The highest point in Antigua and Barbuda is Boggy Peak, which is 402 meters, 1,322 feet, tall. Did you know that the Bahamas is an archipelago of over 700 islands located in the Atlantic Ocean? It is located about 50 miles southeast of Florida and 680 miles northeast of Cuba. The largest island in the Bahamas is New Providence, which is home to the capital city of Nassau. Other notable islands include Grand Bahama, Andros, and Eleuthera. The highest point in the Bahamas is Mount Alvernia, which is 63 meters, 207 feet, tall. Did you know that Barbados is an island country located in the southeastern Caribbean Sea? It is situated about 100 miles, 160 kilometers, east of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Barbados is a relatively small island, with an area of 430 square kilometers, 166 square miles. The highest point is Mount Hillaby, which is 340 meters, 1,115 feet, tall. Did you know that Cuba is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is bordered by the United States to the north, Mexico to the west, and the Bahamas to the northeast. Cuba is the largest island in the Caribbean, with an area of 109,884 square kilometers, 42,430 square miles. The highest point is Pico Turquino, which is 1,974 meters, 6,476 feet, tall. Cuba is also home to several rivers, including the Cauto River and the Zaza River. Did you know that Dominica is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Nature Island of the Caribbean due to its lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and pristine beaches. Dominica is bordered by the French islands of Guadeloupe and Martinique to the north and south, respectively. Dominica is a relatively small island, with an area of 750 square kilometers, 290 square miles. The highest point is Morne Diablotins, which is 1,447 meters, 4,747 feet, tall. Dominica is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Lea River and Lake Boiling. Did you know that the Dominican Republic is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is the second largest island in the Caribbean, after Cuba. The Dominican Republic is bordered by Haiti to the west and Puerto Rico to the east. The Dominican Republic has a diverse landscape, with coastal plains, mountains, and rainforests. The highest point is Pico Duarte, which is 3,087 meters, 10,128 feet, tall. The Dominican Republic is also home to several rivers, including the Yaque del Norte River and the Ozama River. Did you know that Grenada is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Spice Isle of the Caribbean due to its abundance of spices, including nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon. Grenada is bordered by St. Vincent and the Grenadines to the north and Trinidad and Tobago to the south. Grenada is a relatively small island, with an area of 344 square kilometers, 133 square miles. The highest point is Mount St. Catherine, which is 840 meters, 2,756 feet, tall. Grenada is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Balthazar River and Grand Etang Lake. Did you know that Haiti is a beautiful country located in the Caribbean Sea? It is the western third of the island of Hispaniola, and is bordered by the Dominican Republic to the east. Haiti is a mountainous country, with the Massif du Nord and the Massif de la Haute mountain ranges running through the country. The highest point is Pic La Selle, which is 2,680 meters, 8,793 feet, tall. Haiti is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Artibonite River and Lake Azua. Did you know that Jamaica is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the birthplace of reggae and is home to some of the world's most famous beaches. Jamaica is bordered by Cuba to the north and Haiti to the east. Jamaica is a mountainous island, with the Blue Mountains running through the center of the country. The highest point is Blue Mountain Peak, which is 2,256 meters, 7,402 feet, tall. Jamaica is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Black River and Dunn's River Falls. Did you know that St. Kitts and Nevis is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the mother colony of the West Indies and is home to the oldest British fort in the Caribbean, Brimstone Hill Fortress. St. Kitts and Nevis is bordered by the French island of Saint Martin to the north and Antigua and Barbuda to the south. St. Kitts and Nevis is a relatively small country, with a total area of 261 square kilometers, 101 square miles. The highest point is Mount Llanwiga, which is 1,156 meters, 3,793 feet, tall. St. Kitts and Nevis is also home to several rivers and lakes, including the Wingfield River and Great Salt Pond. Did you know that St. Lucia is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Pearl of the Antilles and is home to the Piton Mountains, two volcanic peaks that are iconic landmarks of the island. St. Lucia is bordered by Martinique to the north and St. Vincent and the Grenadines to the south. St. Lucia is a relatively small island, with a total area of 616 square kilometers, 238 square miles. The highest point is Mount Gymea, which is 959 meters, 3,146 feet, tall. St. Lucia is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Roseau River and Diamond Falls. Did you know that St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Land of the Blessed and is home to over 30 islands, including the main island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which are known for their stunning beaches and lush rainforests. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is bordered by St. Lucia to the north and Grenada to the south. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a relatively small country, with a total area of 389 square kilometers, 150 square miles. The highest point is La Soufriere, an active volcano that is 1,234 meters, 4,052 feet, tall. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Rebecca River and Darkview Falls. Did you know that Trinidad and Tobago is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea? It is known as the Land of the Hummingbird and is home to over 350 species of birds, including the iconic ruby topaz hummingbird. Trinidad and Tobago is bordered by Venezuela to the south and Grenada to the northwest. Trinidad and Tobago is a relatively small country, with a total area of 5,128 square kilometers, 1,980 square miles. The highest point is Cerro del Aripo, which is 940 meters, 3,084 feet, tall. Trinidad and Tobago is also home to several rivers and waterfalls, including the Caroni River and Aripo Falls.